guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this wig. Is from Sister Wig, the Dream Collection, and her name is Jenner, and I have her in FH4 copper. And this shorty dude is really cute, really nice. I like it. And this wig is just like the Q Christine wig, where you could kind of switch it from both sides. The only difference with this is that you won't completely lose your eyesight with this one if you switch it to either side. This is what the stock card looks like. She has the blonde and black, and I have more of like a color 4 with the copper. And it is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you guys don't have to worry about it. If it goes out of whack, you could always flat iron it. And it's a short hair, so I didn't have any shedding with this. It's really good. It stays where it's supposed to stay. It's really cute. It's really a conservative look, if you want to put it that way. It's quite conservative to me. The black in this will be really nice. I was trying to see, like, you know, the color, because, you know, I'm all about color, but I think the color one would be quite effective. It's really corporate America-ish, as you can see here, and the earrings go pretty good with it. Like, I'm about to throw the suit right after this. But let me show you guys what the other side looks like really quick. See how it doesn't completely cover your eyes? It just kind of swoops over, covers your eyebrows pretty much a lot, but it looks good. I like this side the most because of how it's swooped in the front. It's really cute this way too. So it's like you have two different styles in one. It doesn't say that on the stock card, but you can get an idea of what both sides look like. One side you will see more of like the tapered type of, you know, more sharp on the other side, and this one is more on your eyes a little bit. If you guys don't want it too much on your eyelids, you could also pull it up like how I have it pulled up here, so it won't be bothering you too much. It's really nice. I like the color. See how it is here? It's more like an orange, and the darker areas are more like of a color 4. As for the cat construction, it has two combs in the front with no combs in the back with adjustable straps, so you guys won't have to worry about the security of this wig. It will be good. And for the smaller head people, it would be fine for you. You just have to adjust it a little bit and you'll be fine. But this hair is a 10 out of 10 for me. I have another color as well in this, but I can't remember the specific. It has this kind of like pinkish type of color, but it's not too crazy. It's also another colored one. I will leave all the colors and where you can find this wig in the description bar below. This is one of those every day I'm going to work or to a job interview hair, and yeah, it's really cute. It's really nice. It's really, you know, conservative to me. It's really conservative but yet stylish. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you never miss a video. And also, all of my social media links and everything is in the description bar, and the music, if you're hearing it, if you're digging it, it's also in the description bar too. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.